not mine, it is not DKSS, it is not academies, it is your bloody aim. You understand? So you have to work for it. 24/7 you have to dig out 26 hours from 24 hours. How you do it is your bandobast. That is very important for any competition. Competition is not a cakewalk, especially NDA, one of the toughest exams of the country. Anybody who is getting selected is the cream of the nation. You understand? So it is not that कि हाँ मैंने पढ़ लिया NDA का और मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया, नहीं होगा. I can give it in on a stamp paper if you want. आपको घिसना पड़ेगा. अगर किसी चीज को चमकाना होता है तो उसको घिसना होता है. तो अपने आप को चमकाना है तो अपने आप को घिसो, और घिसने का एक ही तरीका है स्टडी एंड स्टडी. That is all. Okay. So we coming back to the SSB curriculum again. The most important thing in SSB is your anyone? It is not even IQ. It is your personality. It is a test of your personality. SSB is nothing but it is a test of your personality. And what personality is defined by? It is defined by certain qualities. We call them officer-like qualities, OLQs. So today we are going to have a class on officer-like qualities. हमने देखा है इसको, we have already done it once, but now I will tell you how to imbibe these qualities, how to इनको कैसे ग्रहण करना है. Once you imbibe, how to corroborate is how to check कि मेरे अंदर ये quality आई है नहीं है, और इन qualities से क्या होता है. What happens when you imbibe these qualities? It is not only confined to SSB, it is confined to your life. I told you earlier also. SSB is nothing but it is a subset of your life. Is that clear? So ये qualities कहाँ पे important है, कहाँ पे use होती है? ये आपके सोचने के तरीके के ऊपर, आपके बोलने के तरीके के ऊपर, और किसी कार्य को करने के तरीके के ऊपर check होती है. They are mapped onto your manasa, vacha and karmana. The way you think, the way you speak, the way you do things on ground. इसके ऊपर इन qualities का mapping होता है. Once they find that mapping is correct, you are recommended in your SSB. So it's not that anybody who is appearing in the SSB will get selected. It is not. I told you, result is very bleak. It is just not even 3 points. It is just about 3%. Out of 100 people, appearing in SSB, probability. I'm using a word probability. Is 3%. You can understand the plight. It is not surety, but it is probability that 3% of you may get selected in the SSB. Okay? So अपने conduct को, अपने कर्मों को, अपने बोलने के तरीके को, अपने सोचने के तरीके को, you have to confine